Everybody's super euphoric. Everybody thinks we're going to go at the end of the year to $150,000 for Bitcoin. Altcoins are going to go crazy. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you why you have to be careful and why we could be seeing a short-term correction coming very soon for BTC. Of course, if you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. We post one video about no BS crypto trading every single day. Guys, I'm going to cut the chase and show you what's happening right now with BTC so then you can make your own conclusion. And later on, I'm going to show you your favorite altcoins with price prediction to show you what to expect for the next weeks or also months. Right now, guys, BTC is still stuck in between this area, in between $103,000 to $95,000. And you can see we have been forming a range over here. And I'm going to show you why I would say a little bit bullish, short term for the next maybe couple of weeks. Basically, what I'm doing right now, I have opened this thing called the volume footprint. You can see that we can see all the orders happening right now in all these candlesticks over here. And as you can see, there is so much volume, right? So much positive delta, which means that when you see a positive delta, it means there are more people buying than actually people selling. You can see even when we had a terrible candle over here, which was on the 5th of December. Last week, we went from 104 to $90,000. Basically, whales, what they did, they actually bought more BTC. And you can see right now they're buying 1,000, 1,000, 5,000. So it looks like that Bitcoin is still into a macro trend to the upside, but it's getting exhausted. I'm going to go back into the candles and show you a little bit better. So what I mean by getting exhausted is the fact that it's forming pretty much like what we call a rising wedge. We can call it like an ascending channel. Basically, some people will probably interpret this one as this. Some people probably do as a channel, but you can see that right now Bitcoin is just going up like that, and it's going to get to a point maybe around 108, 110, where you're going to see over here in this indicator called the RSI, a proper what we call bearish divergence. But we're going to see maybe one last push to the upside, maybe until the end of the year. And then what we could be seeing from there, I'm expecting a larger correction. And then the correction, how low it could go to, well, I'm thinking about maybe around this area over here, 88,000, 87,000, and then we should be able to resume business as usual. And of course, guys, in the meanwhile, what you can do once Bitcoin is into this range over here, you can trade the market. Like, for example, with our VIP group, guys, of course, we're making crazy results every single day. You can see all the results from our members, guys. Also, if you want Bitcoin analysis every single day in much details like this, altcoin analysis for trading ideas, Michael's when to enter, when to get in, when to get out, also my other pro members, everything written over here, guys. Go in the description. There is my page over here, little trailer, and also the trading results since March 2024, all transparent to show you that we are not messing around and we make money into this cryptocurrency market. But let's go back into BTC. So right now what I can see, rising wedge, guys, be careful because I think we are going to go maybe a little bit higher, and very soon probably we're going to have a correction. So what does it mean for, I would say, BTC, for the altcoins, and for all that? Now, I want to show you what's happening right now with Total 2. Total 2 is basically the amount of market cap excluding Bitcoin, so Ethereum and all the other altcoins. You can see that right now we can see on the weekly chart that we had a drop to the downside, but then all of this was basically bought back in again. So theoretically, right, this candle over here, some people will say is bearish, but in my opinion, is actually quite bullish. We were able to basically absorb all the sellers down to here. And then what we could be seeing is Total 2 to continue to ramp up to the upside. So whenever we're going to see Bitcoin to maybe have a correction down to $88,000, $89,000, similar to what happened in 2020, 21, then we could be seeing altcoins to go crazy. And maybe one of the catalysts for this Bitcoin sell-off is going to be the inauguration of Donald Trump. Is going to be happening on January 20th. So on January 20th, I will really be careful in holding Bitcoin because we could be seeing a massive sell-off. So what does it mean for the altcoins? The altcoins should be able to go and push to the upside. Some people are warning me already in the chat that they were asking me today to have a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, at the USDT dominance, telling me that we are bottom now with the USDT. And if you actually watch my previous video, I was actually saying that we were going down to this area over here. So congratulations to all of you who listen to me. And right now, people are saying, oh no, Andrea, now we're going to go and see another push to the upside, and then Bitcoin is going to be cooked as well as altcoins. Well, guys, I would like to show you what's happening right now. So Bitcoin is following what happened in 2020 and 21. So if you actually go back and see this fractal over here for 2020, you can see that when we went down around this area, guys, was the 28th of December. And then for roughly 119 days, we were actually bottoming down to this way over here. And basically what I'm expecting right now, I could be seeing a very similar scenario if this fractal is going to play out, to continue to bottom down to here, maybe until March 2025. And what it means that having the USDT dominance down to here, it means that all the money are not going to be into the US dollar, it's going to be in something else, like risk assets, Bitcoin, crypto, and also altcoins. So for me, it looks like that BTC is actually following exactly this pattern very, very well. And then from March to April, we could be seeing another ramp up to the upside, big correction in crypto, and all of that. Next one I want to show you guys, very important, Ethereum, ETH. Lots of people are a little bit bearish with Ethereum. They say, it's dead and all of that. To me, I can see basically Ethereum going into what we call an ascending channel, had a beautiful response over here. There is a beautiful engulfing candle coming up. We can see as well, to help you out a little bit with the volume footprint anyway. So if you want to know all of these guys, VIP group is the way to go. We can see as well, like, with Ethereum, what happened over here with the volume footprint, which is a tool that utilized by lots of, I would say, professional traders. You can see lots of buying levels, around this area over here, and it's still going to the upside. And of course, what and where, how high Ethereum is going to go up to. We can see, from here. I'm going to go and show you on the weekly candle so you can see a little bit better. But right now, guys, this looks, in my opinion, fantastic. Really, we just went up to this way, and as you can see from here, I was actually highlighting before that Ethereum had just retested the previous breakout. Lots of people are panicking right now. Oh no, Ethereum is basically dead. To me, it looks more of a dump, like a dip down to here. They bought the dip, and now they're pushing up again. And looking at the targets from here, guys, Ethereum, I could be seeing a first target probably around this area over here, and then next one could be even as high. I'm going to show you with a projection from here to here, even as high as $7,500. They could definitely be on the cards. Some people are talking about 10,000, 20,000. I don't care, guys. I don't really care about opinions. To me, what it counts is looking at the data. The data to me suggests that ETH could be probably perhaps go as a first target, to $5,300, up to here, have a correction, then up again, maybe around this area. Again, taking another fib extension from here, we could be seeing maybe up to this area, 7,000, 7,500. That could definitely be on the cards. And then after that, I'm expecting ETH to correct. If it goes to 20,000, congratulations to all of you who are going to be crazy to hold until the level. I'm not going to hold until there. I'm going to sell, I can tell you before. Next one, guys, is Solana. Solana is into a very interesting situation right now. You can see that we were able to reclaim this very important 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and right now looks like it's losing a little bit of steam. But what you have to be careful right now with Solana is the fact that, as you can see, we are into a channel over here. The channel is really well defined in this area, and if you're not going to be able to go above this channel over here and close above this channel, I mean, Solana is not going to go anywhere. What I could be thinking right now that could be happening is that we were trying to, of course, break this very important level of diagonal resistance. Then we got rejected over here. And then if Bitcoin is going to continue to go higher, then what I could be expecting would be Solana to retest down to this area, form what we call an inverted head and shoulder from here, and then push to the upside above all-time high. 270, 280 could be my target. But remember, if you're going to see, I'm going to just cancel this one here. If you're going to see a break of the structure here at 218, the next target is going to be probably down to here. It's going to go down to 195. So be careful when it comes to trade this market. That's why I'm saying, guys, VIP group is the way to go, because we discuss this every single day. So very important for that. Solana, guys, in my opinion, bull flag over here. Best case scenario, we're going to see a rebound from here. Worst case, probably this. But again, looks very good. Bullish flag in the making, makes me very, very happy. Next one, guys, Link. Lots of people are calling about Link. I draw this pattern over here in the VIP group. We touched down to this area. Now we are pretty much going up again. And you can see that right now, we're pushing to the upside. In my opinion, looks great. What I could probably see could be, how high this can push up to, I would be very careful when I was going to go up to this area over here. See, we're touching already the 1.618. So at $32, we should be seeing some sort of correction, like I would say, maybe like a small term correction, and then it should continue to go higher. But also Link, looking at the more like a, I would say, long-term chart, you can see that the chart looks beautiful in my opinion. And what I would be very, very careful, once you're going to get to this area over here, very similar to what happened to, I don't know if you saw H-bar. H-bar was a Hedera pump like 6x, 7x. And if Link is going to go probably around this area, $34, $35, I would probably be very, very careful. This is called the golden pocket area of Fibonacci. And in general, if it's going to go up to here, without any significant pullback, then what we could be seeing could be maybe something like this, then a correction down to here, maybe down to 23, 25, and then another push to the upside. So be very careful when it comes to here with Link USDT. Next one, guys, I want to show you AVAX. AVAX looks fantastic, really fantastic. You can see the weekly chart. We had this multi-month breakout. We just went down up to here, 56, went down to here, retested perfectly. You can see the beautiful candle over here. Just we went down to this area over here, and then looks like if we're going to be able to close this weekly chart around this area, we should be off the races. Then the next target we can see for AVAX is going to be around this area over here. First one is going to be $60. It's going to be important to see maybe like a small pullback, and then the next one is going to be around again golden pockets, $93 to $100 as the next level of interest. So that could be happening when, well, we don't know. Probably around January, around the end of December, January, if Bitcoin is going to start to cool off. But around this area here, maybe 15th of January, 10th of January, we should be seeing AVAX to go as high as $100. And by the way, guys, if you want to know all the specific targets from here, like how high you can go into this bull market again, guys, you can come on the VIP altcoins long term. We have written everything over here about every possible chart, about every possible coin. Look at the quality over here. We have all the names, guys. We have all the, look at this, with all the targets. So join us, guys, because really it's going to be lots of quality. Anyway, let's go back into this. Next one I want to show you again is going to be the last one about total 2. Okay, guys, that's about it for today. So to summarize everything, BTC, I think, is about to put maybe one last push to the upside. Then we should be seeing a consolidation. At the same time, we should be seeing Altseason to come. Some of the coins should be exploding. Some of them reaching all-time high. Some of them retracing to this, as I called it before, the golden pocket area. But we should be seeing altcoins to go way higher than from here. In the worst case scenario as well, remember, if we're going to lose this area over here, and I always say be very careful when it comes to trading. You need to understand, you need to be in the group with us. If you're going to lose this level over here, guys, then I will probably start to not to panic, of course, but gonna start to question, like, this thesis will see one last push to 110, and what we could be seeing maybe another push to the downside, and then up again. But again, guys, all these movements right now here, I think they're gonna be just corrective. Bitcoin is probably gonna, reclaim and push to the upside. I don't think the bull market is finished, but again, it's not financial advice. But otherwise, guys, that's it for today. I wish you a great day, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another video.